Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial, you'll only need water, hairbrush, some clips, and some butter.
Unsalted.
So as I was saying, welcome back to my channel guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are being the most while doing the least for sure. Today we'll be talking about hair, but if you're interested in other contents that I do, such as fashion, skincare, lifestyle in Montreal, as well as restaurant discovering, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's just get right into the video and get done with it, period. So here guys, it's very simple. Honestly, you need to separate the hair here, to section the hair because it's much more easier to work with. Then you'll add water for sure to get that hair moisturized. After moisturizing the hair, you just need to add the butter. Usually I would take the butter in my hands, then soften it up, because when I do the butter mask, usually I leave it at room temperature, so I don't leave it in the fridge. I leave it at room temperature so it could get like a little, much more easier to work with. Then after that, like I said, you just need to put that butter on the hair, fully coat the hair, work the butter in the hair, because it's going to be after that much more easier for you and you'll have better results. And after that, you need to use the brush. I feel comfortable using the Felicia Litterwood brush, so because I know it's much more easier for me, and I've worked with it in the past and I've never had problems with it. So yeah, you need to work that butter in your hair basically, and as I said, it's unsalted butter. Take your time, no stress, no rush. Honestly, that took me like 32 minutes in whole, and that was with me going to get some stuff because I forgot some materials, honestly. So like I said, no stress. Honestly, here, if you don't have enough butter and your hair is not coated enough, you can always add more just to be sure, because it's never wrong to add more, honestly, during a mask. And in the next clip, you'll fully see the details. I'll just accelerate it a little, okay? So take your seats and enjoy, okay? Aussi, je voulais vous dire que just watch out, be sure to have like a towel, donc une serviette avec vous et tout, parce que le beurre et tout ça va couler. Et sur le plancher, on the floor, be sure to have like un tapis ou quoi que ce soit, because when applying the butter on your hair and brushing, ça va couler un peu partout, tout ça. Donc c'est important de faire attention. Puis si vous voulez pas trop nettoyer après, ça serait bien que vous ayez quelque chose à terre, on the floor. So get a mat on the floor whatsoever. It could be a towel, whatever you want to use, so you don't have too much work to do after. Comme ça va tomber sur le tapis et tout. Et voilà quoi. Mais for sure you guys are gonna clean after, because le beurre va aller un peu partout. And I actually did it quite slowly. Je suis pas allé trop fort, and you see the results. Je peux vous dire que il y avait quand même, fallait nettoyer la toilette après et tout, donc very important. Honnêtement, pour le butter mask, après que vous ayez appliqué de la racine jusqu'aux pointes, So from the roots to the ends. Don't forget, you can always apply on your roots directly, donc vraiment sur votre scalp. Allez vraiment chercher, le scalp, séparez vos cheveux. Vous pouvez l'appliquer sur le scalp. It's actually very good to do so. So I would recommend. Vous allez voir dans quelques vidéos ou dans quelques minutes que j'ai fait ça et ça a vraiment bien marché. Donc, it's up to you guys if you want to do it or not. Blague à part, je voulais aussi vous dire que honnêtement, quand j'ai appliqué le masque on my hair, mes cheveux étaient tellement longs, mais comme tellement longs, because ça faisait tellement longtemps que j'avais pas comme laissé mes cheveux out comme ça, genre. Ce qui fait que genre en plus du masque, genre ça alourdissait mes cheveux. And I found it. J'ai trouvé que les cheveux étaient tellement longs, j'étais vraiment dépassée au fait. For the mask, particulièrement, at that time, quand je l'ai fait, I was actually in a hurry because genre, je devais me coiffer et tout. Et j'avais pas trop le temps pour les jours à venir. Donc, I left it for like 2-3 hours on my head. Puis genre, j'étais vraiment surpris because it was like actually soft. Parce que d'habitude, when I do my mask, I leave it overnight. Et quand je l'avais fait 2 fois auparavant, je l'avais laissé overnight. Quand je vous dis que mes cheveux étaient doux, guys, mais comme plus que doux. Plus que doux, excusez. Plus doux que genre le 2-3 heures. Because après le 2-3 heures, c'était doux, mais pas autant que le overnight. Overnight just does something for your hair. I swear. Comme si tu comprends? Non, comme it does something. Vous devez essayer, guys. Try it. You'll see. If you want to know more about the benefits of the butter mask, the link will be on the up right corner. Honestly, here at this point, I'm just already feeling myself, guys. Vous voyez, normalement, j'arrange mes cheveux. Moi, je suis dépassée. Here, I'm just about to give you guys a little turn of what it's all about. Je voulais aussi vous dire que attachez bien vos cheveux, donc tie very well your hair. Be sure, parce que sinon, le beurre ça va leak si vous laissez overnight. Donc mettez quelque chose sur votre pillow, put like a towel, whatsoever, ce que vous voulez honnêtement. Mais faites attention à vos draps, tout ça. And usually I would put like a bag, a plastic bag, and a towel on my hair just to be sure that it holds on. So yeah. Honestly, guys, thanks again. If you like the content that I do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be off here, guys. See you next week. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.